Hello dear students. In this video, we will see structure of a very basic C program. Now every C program starts with a line hash include stdio.h. Now this symbol here is hash include stdio.h, and the next line is generally int main. Main is followed by open bracket and close bracket. Now, reason behind writing these two lines cannot be explained in this video. In the later chapters, where we will be learning a major topic called functions in C, I repeat, functions in C, it will be extensively learned why these lines hash include stdio.h and int main is written at the beginning of every C program. I can only tell you this much in this video, that this main actually is a function in C. Main is a function in C. So first two lines are supposed to be hash include stdio.h and int main. Main is followed by curly brace open and curly brace close. These are the brackets, curly brackets. Pair of curly brackets is given, and within these pair of curly brackets we write sentences. Now as you can see, we have written two sentences in this particular program enclosed inside the braces. The first statement is printf and second is return 0. We are not going into details of these statements in this particular video, but to tell you that every statement ends always with a special symbol called semicolon. You can see that both statements end with semicolon. The thing to notice here is that there are some lines which do not end with semicolon. For example, we have not given semicolon here, neither we have given semicolon at this particular line. The point is, the statements which are written within the pair of open brace and close brace within this region are sentences. These are the sentences which are enclosed inside the pair of braces. So only sentences end with semicolon. Typically, the last line of our C program should be return 0. The reason behind that is we have written this particular program starting with int main. Now, many programmers have a habit of writing void main over here. Now, in case you write void main, then this return 0 statement should not be given. And the program will simply have some statements and end brace. But we are going to always write main as int main. As this is int main, we will be writing the last line as return 0. I repeat, just don't worry about why these statements are written and what they mean. We will be definitely looking at this extensively in the coming videos. What's the meaning of main and what's the meaning of return? Coming back to this printf statement, many students make a very basic mistake early. They give a space between this print and f. Now notice that printf is a single word followed by brackets, and within the brackets we write quotation. This is the quotation symbol, and in the quotation symbol we give the matter which we want to print. As in this case, the matter we want to print is welcome to C programming. So this printf, as the name suggests, print, it will print this on the screen. So if I right click on this program anywhere on the program and ask for compile and run, this code is going to run in a new window, and the output of this program is going to be welcome to C program. It's taking too long. Yeah, there we are. Welcome to C programming. That's a very basic structure of C program. Remember, every C program begins with hash include stdio.h followed by int main followed by pair of braces, and within the braces we write sentences. Every sentence ends with semicolon. Last line has to be return 0 in case you write int main. If you write void main, don't write return 0. Thank you very much.